Wow, that was awesome. First time ever seeing a swallowtail in our garden. That was incredible. So today is a great day, not just for that, but because we are going to be getting another delivery of wood chip mulch. And you can see that we definitely need to add more wood chips around here. We can put some more down in all the garden paths and throughout the perennial garden, and of course all around the permaculture garden area in this whole space that we are trying to expand between there. So I just called up one of our favorite local arborists, the same crew that cut down this tree for us. They did a great job with that. So I've been on their list now for about a month to get another mulch delivery. And they contacted me yesterday and said it would be coming either this afternoon or tomorrow afternoon. So that means I need to get some things ready, because the only spot that they can leave them is right there. Wow, look at that. That is a massive pile. Oh boy, we got some work to do. I can't really get through there safely. Hold on just 1 second. All right, so that is about 9 cubic yards. In case you are wondering what 9 cubic yards looks like. Well, there's my car for scale next to it. It's a pretty big pile, probably about 5 feet tall, and well, who knows how big it is. I would just be guessing, but it's pretty big, and we can do so much with this. Funnily enough, I guess most of this is silver maple, just like we have in our backyard. You can actually see some of the leaves, and there are some other things, but mostly silver maple. I need to try to clear this out a bit so my wife can get her car in and out of the garage. So let's get started. Boy, am I glad that's done. All right, time for the big reveal. Once again, here's what it looked like before, and here is what it looks like now. Pretty poppin'. And yeah, it looks great. I mean, at this point it looks more like a petting zoo, but someday there will be more food growing back here. And of course, we didn't just do this for looks. The thick layer of wood chips is the first step to extending our food forest out this direction to take advantage of more of the sunlight that we're getting here. And well, yeah, it looks like the hugel mounds that I made here kind of disappeared. They're just covered in wood chips. I put a layer of about 2 to 3 inches of mostly decomposed compost over all of these, and then just put some wood chips on top. And once again, we will not be planting into those just yet. We're gonna wait till the spring so those have some time to settle and decompose a bit. So if you are wanting to start your own food forest, I highly recommend the very first thing you do immediately is get yourself a big old pile of wood chips like we did. However you can do it, most places you can get them for free here in the United States. You can just call up an arborist or go to getchipdrop.com. However you can go about getting them, get them down on your soil right away so that they can start doing their work of increasing fertility, increasing soil biology and fungal networks, improving the texture and all that, so your plants can have some healthy soil to spread out, grow strong, healthy roots. And that is really the easiest way to just get started. You want to do that before anything else. As long as you get that mulch down, it can start doing its work, and that will give you some time to start doing all your research on everything else on what you actually want to grow and what you can grow in your climate. As long as you have those wood chips down, you know that they are building soil for you. You don't even need to think about it. It's very easy to do, and in most cases, it's free. So there you go. Very simple way to get going. So this whole new area now has the potential to grow so much more food. And I did set up the hugel mounds, which are kind of hard to see now, but with all of these wood chips down all over everything, that means that we can really plant wherever we want here. All we need to do is pull aside the wood chips, plant into the soil, and we'll be good to go. So that is just the easiest way to start building your soil and get going on it. I have so many ideas of more fruit tree guilds and things I want to grow here. I have a whole long list of stuff that I need to figure out exactly what varieties can do well in our climate and what we can fit in here. So that's yeah, that's all of the stuff that I can do over the winter that I can spend time researching and figuring that out. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Once again, if you want to get your food forest started, easiest way to do it is get yourself some wood chips, plop them on the ground, and let nature do its work. I'll see you next time.